Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome guys. Thank you so much for coming back. So my name is Obar. Join the family, join the gang, join the you know how it goes, okay? So just watch this video to the end, and if you do enjoy my video, please go ahead and give me a thumbs up. And also, if you feel like you need to subscribe, or if there's this thing drawing you to push that subscribe button, please feel free to do so right away, okay? Thank you so much for tuning in.
Pussy white so then the fucking jacuzzi. Wanna sing a little song like Uzi. This a beauty too much, it gon' kill me. This a loving too much.
Alright, so today's video is going to be my July 2020 boxycharm unboxing video. So if you don't know, I started boxycharm last month, I think in May, and then I got my first box in June. So this is my second boxycharm review. So I would also leave my first boxycharm review up there, so you can click on it and go watch it, so you know how I feel about my first ever boxycharm review and unboxing. So yeah, this is my second box. I actually had a little bit of an issue with this box because it never came when it was supposed to, and there's just a little bit of story behind this old boxycharm thing. But yeah, I'm just going to be reviewing it now. I've had it for like a couple of days, or maybe about a week, and I've been so busy. Just heads up guys, I don't know if you can even see my eyes. Just anything I say, just take it like that, because we're not gonna talk, but your girl is not, I don't even know. I just feel like this is the best time for me to do this video, so that's why I'm doing it now. Please forgive me if this is not the best unboxing and video that you would expect from me. So this is the box that I got. As you can see, it is still sealed. And guys, this is, so the first thing I'm going to be showing you guys in this box is the Grace and Stella eye mask. This eye mask prevents wrinkles and it energizes your eyes. It's like an energy drink for your eyes. So this is just what it looks like. If it will focus, that's just what this is. It comes with 12 pairs. So this is the 111 skin. If it will focus. So I may not be saying this right. Dr. White Alexandrize reparative. So it is 20 milliliter. This provides multi-action protection against pollutants and screen emitted artificial visible light. This essential booster utilizes defensive peptides and antioxidants to safeguard skin from damaging effects of daily aggressors in order to maintain a healthy complexion. So it says to use, shake well before use, mix 1 to 2 drops into the palm of your hands with your favorite moisturizer, or apply it directly to your skin after cleansing. So that is what this is used for. I've never heard of it, I've never used one before, so I don't care much for this, honestly. So this is the Pure Festival 2.0. So this is a 12-piece pressed pigment palette. It is so beautiful. I really like the packaging. Look at it, guys. So beautiful. Can somebody help me out, because I'm not able to remove this freaking eyeshadow. This is crazy, really. Oh my god, oh my god, guys, I ripped it off. Okay, first, I'm so mad that this took so long to take out of the box. I don't know what's wrong. I can't believe it literally took me like freaking 10.5 minutes to take out. So this is the way it is inside. And I love the holographic print or pattern that they used, so I think it's really pretty. And this, guys, this eyeshadow came, can you guys see this? So guys, I can't even show you what this eyeshadow looks like because it came broken. I'm so mad. Like, I don't know if this is from boxycharm or the delivery driver, or maybe, you know, it just got up in the delivery in general. Oh my god, these colors are not really, I feel like I have too many palettes with this same color, and it's, in a way, it's starting to get so annoying that you only have like certain colors. In general, it's a pretty palette, but I feel like personally I have too many of these colors, and I feel like I wasn't expecting to see these colors. You know, take a look at the packaging. I was expecting something more like brighter, or I don't know, something different with this kind of, like, I feel like the packaging is better than the product itself, if that makes sense. That's just how I feel with this palette. And then it came, one of them is already broken. I'm just so mad about that, but what can I do? Nothing. I don't know who to blame now, and I don't think it's okay for me to call boxycharm just because of one palette. You feel me? There would definitely be a use for this. And I like the fact that, you know, the colors have their own names. That is one thing I like. They have the names outside of the box itself, and they have it on the palette. So I like that about this. And guys, the last thing in this box is micro brows sculpting pencil, micro crayon sources sculptant. So this brow sculpting pencil is from Hourglass. I think it's really cute. I really like it. So this is what it looks like. It's just like every other pencil. I definitely have to try this on to tell you exactly, you know, how it works and how good it is. From what I can see outside, it feels like it feels good. It looks good. I feel like this is something I would use on a regular. So I'll keep you guys updated about this. I'm like, it was supposed to be 5 items. Why they only sent me 4? Like, I was about to like go off, and then I found this pencil. So this is, I don't be knowing how to pronounce all these names. Like, I actually tried to find the pronunciation of this item, but I didn't end up finding it, so I'm just going to call it Douchey. I feel like that's what it is. Douchey Fierce and Fine Graphic Pen. So this is the last item that I got from boxycharm. I hope you guys can really see it. So this is it. Yeah, so this is an eyeliner. I really think it would work great. Can you guys see? It's there, but it's not like intense. Yeah, the color is not as intense as you would expect, but overall it would work for me. I'm not complaining. So guys, those were the 5 stuff that I got from boxycharm this time, and that completes this video for you guys. Overall, I would tell you that I'm not really impressed with this month's boxycharm. I think I forgot to mention the prices. I'm just going to leave them down somewhere on the screen so you guys know exactly what this 5 items retails for. So if you do decide to purchase it, so this is my second boxycharm review, and I think now I'm starting to think that they just, well, it's too early to say, but I feel like they purposely gave me those items at first just to kind of, you know, draw me into it. like just kind of keep me in. And I don't know if this is what they do to every first timer, but I feel like the stuff that I got the first day were way better than what I actually got now. I'm not really impressed with this month's boxycharm. So yeah, I'm not really impressed. And the fact that one of my items came, broken, I'm so mad about that, because at the end of the day I still paid money for this thing. But I can't really blame anybody, so there's really nothing I can say. But overall, I think these products are great products, and I think that I will look more into them, and with time I'm going to keep you guys updated on those products as I'm using them, and I'm going to carry you along. Like each time I really need to show you something about this product. So yeah, do I think you should still sign up for boxycharm? Yes, because I'm not gonna like base everything on this one box. I really liked the first one. It gave me a very good impression about boxycharm the first time. It's not gonna be as great every month, but I feel like some months are actually going to be better than some. So that's just how I feel. I'm still going to give it time, but if this keeps happening like consistently, then I'll be forced to like question it and like maybe stop, but look into other stuffs. But for now, I will still keep paying for it. I will still trust them to give us exactly what we want. So guys, I feel like I've spoken a lot, like I've really said a lot. But yeah, that's the end of this video. Please, if you haven't seen my other videos, I'm going to leave them right here and right here, so you guys can go watch. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Just click on it, and then you turn on the post notifications so you can get notified when I post a new video. I really appreciate you for stopping by. Stay well, stay safe, stay sane, till we'll see you again in my next video. Bye.